Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at the topic, the micrometer screw gauge. The micrometer screw gauge is used for measuring small lengths, like the diameter of small components such as wires and rods, the thickness of a kobo coin, and similar small distances. It can measure to an accuracy of 0.01 millimeter. This is the least measurement the instrument can take, and it is referred to as the reading accuracy of the instrument. The first micrometer screw gauge was created in the 17th century by Williams Gascoigne. Micrometer is a unit of length, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meters. The chief features of the instrument are as shown: the anvil and the spindle. The object to be measured is placed between the anvil and the spindle. The thumb ball is turned until the object is gripped firmly. The ratchet prevents the user from exerting undue pressure on the instrument. The micrometer screw gauge, just like the vernier calipers, has two scale readings. The main scale on the sleeve graduated in millimeters, and the circular vernier scale consisting of 50 equal divisions. For one complete turn of the thimble, it moves through 0.5 millimeter on the sleeve. How to read the vernier calipers? We have two scale readings, as we have said before. The main scale reading is noted to the nearest graduation. On that diagram, our main scale reading is 5.50 millimeter. The next thing is to note the reading on the circular vernier scale. From our diagram, it is 42. We will multiply this value by 0.01 millimeter. That will be 42 multiplied by 0.01 millimeter, which will be equal to 0.42 millimeter. Then we will add the readings on the two scale together. That will give us 5.50 plus 0.42, which will be equal to 5.92 millimeter. Let's take another example. What is the reading on the portion of the micrometer screw gauge shown before you? On that diagram, our main scale reading is 2.50 millimeter. The reading on the circular vernier scale is 38. Multiply this value by 0.01 millimeter. We will get 0.38 millimeter. We will now add the main scale reading and the vernier scale reading together, and that will give us 2.88 millimeter. Uses of the micrometer screw gauge. The micrometer screw gauge are also used by technicians. They use the micrometer screw gauge to measure the diameter of wires, rods, and other small cylindrical parts to ensure proper fit and function. In machining and engineering, micrometer screw gauge are also used to verify the dimension of manufactured parts. In medicine, micrometer screw gauge are also used for surgical instruments to check if they conform to their design. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any question, you have the privilege to drop them at the comment section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Bye.